Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to explore one of the most important and highly searched topic in Azure. And honestly, in any cloud platform like AWS or Google Cloud as well. And the topic is Cloud Cost Management. Specifically in this video, we'll focus on Azure Cost Management, what it is, why it is so important, and how we can effectively manage, track, and optimize our cloud spending. So in that we'll cover why cost management is critical in cloud computing, what Azure Cost Management actually is, and the different type of cost management features like cost analysis, budget, and alerts, and how to avoid unnecessary charges from unused resources, and how to track and control your overall cloud spending in a smart way. So this topic becomes especially important when you are moving from free Azure subscription to pay as you go model. At this stage, the cost management is the first thing that every cloud user should understand, otherwise you will end up with unexpected or surprise bills. Whether you are a beginner or just starting your cloud journey or working professional, cost management is something we often overlooked, like not setting up budgets, alerts, or regularly reviewing our usage. And exactly that's why this topic matters. So sit back, relax, and pay close attention because this video will cover everything you need to know to manage Azure cost effectively and ensures you never get surprised by your cloud bills again. So let's get started. So let's first understand why cost management is extremely important in cloud computing. So many people think of the cloud is cheap until they receive their first Azure bill. Just imagine one virtual machine left running over the weekend, one unused disk or public IP is open, or test resource that was never deleted, and suddenly your bill doubles or even triples. That's exactly why cost management is critical. The key reason behind this is that cloud follows pay as you go model. You are charged only for the resources you used. But the problem is you are also charged for resources that are running but not actually needed. Resources that are ideal but still provisioned. So yes, you pay only for usage. But without visibility, pay as you go easily turns into unexpected bills. So cost management help you to avoid billing surprises, track where your money is being spent, control and plan your cloud spending, identify unused resources and optimize your infrastructure to reduce the cost. So you can think of Azure or any cloud platform without cost management as using a credit card without checking your monthly statement. So you don't realize how much you are spending until the bill arrives. That's why cost management is not optional. It is must to have practice for avoiding anyone using the cloud, whether you are a beginner, a startup, or an enterprise user. So now that we understand why cost management is important, so it's time to understand what Azure Cost Management actually is. So Azure Cost Management is built in Azure service that help you to monitor, analyze, control, and optimize your cloud spending. So in simple terms, it gives you a full visibility and control over how much money you are spending in Azure and where exactly that money is going. So with Azure Cost Management, you can view your total Azure spend, track the cost by resource or resource groups, services, and subscription. Analyze usage trends over time and set budgets and configure the cost alerts and get cost saving recommendations to reduce unnecessary spendings. So this service helps you to understand where your money is being wasted and how you can optimize your infrastructure to save the cost. So Azure and almost every cloud providers like AWS or GCP offers this type of services because cloud cost can grow very quickly if you are not monitored properly. So in short, Azure Cost Management is the central place where you can monitor, analyze, control your Azure cloud spending, ensuring that you stay within the budgets and avoid unexpected billing surprises. So now that we clearly understand what Azure Cost Management is and what features it provides, so it's time to move to the Azure portal and see how we can actually use this service in real time. So once we log into the Azure portal, then we'll be navigating to this landing page or the dashboard of the Azure portal, which looks like this. So from here, there are multiple ways to access Azure Cost Management, but the easiest and fastest way is to use the global search. So from here, you can simply search like cost and it will be filtered this cost management like this. So you can simply click on this cost management and it will be navigating to this cost management pay as you go overview page where you will see all the spendings that you are using in this Azure portal. And there are a lot of other features that also provided in this service, that is monitoring, optimization, reporting and analysis that we'll see step by step. So once we go to this overview page of this cost management and billing overview, so here you will get a detailed understanding of your invoices and invoices over time and the spending that you use. So in the invoices, I have spent 362 rupees month off in the previous months, and currently I spend in the last month I have spent 41.77 rupees or 2 rupees, and in this way you can track the spending that you used in the previous months or the current month, and you accordingly you will track your spendings. So then you can simply go to this cost management, and once you click on this cost management, then it will again go to this detail window where you will see the couple of new features where you can set the monitoring. In that, alert rules are there where you can define the rules to the you can set the rules to set the alerts or cost. You can set the rules and accordingly you will get the notifications. Then the budgets where you can set up the budgets, and I have already set up one budget, that is 200 budget, and here once we click, then you will see the details of that budget that I have created, and accordingly I have set up the 80%. I will get once the 80% is or 160 rupees amount spent, then I will get the email notifications to my email, and then I will set up that I will get a notification where I can go to the Azure portal and see the resources that I am using, or I can accordingly delete unused resources, and you will see the details of this budget that I have created, that is budget 200. I have given the name for that budget, that is budget 200, but you can add as per your requirement or need. And if you want, you can create the budgets by simply clicking on this add button, then it will be navigating to this create budget page, and here you can set the name of that budget, period, expected date and expiration date you can set, and then you can create your new budget in this window. And then there is one reporting and analysis feature where you can analyze the cost that you spend. Once you click, then you will be navigating to this window where you will see the daily cost, accumulated cost, resource group that you used, or the resource group that you created and spent money on that resource group. So you will get the detailed explanation of this, or you will get the detailing of each and every resource group that you created. So once you click to the daily cost, then you will be navigating to this page, and here you can see I have spent it 1.57 rupees, and those are the services, the location that I have created while using this resource group, and the resource group that I have created. Then you can go to the previous months, you can see the spending on the previous months. So you can see I have spent it 2.03 rupees on the previous month, and again on the month of November I have spent it 35 rupees, and you can see the resource group that I have created during these months and the name and the detailing of that resource group you can see. So accordingly you can define the, or you can get the cost analysis where your money is spent during the past months. So in this way you can effectively use Azure Cost Management and its key features like cost analysis, cost exports, budgets and cost alert and alert rules by setting up budgets and alerts, you will receive an email notifications whenever your spending approaches or exceeds the budget that you define. This helps you to immediately understand where your money is going and which resources are contributing the most to your cost. So based on these insights, you can drill down the resources or resource group in detail. Identify the unused resources, delete or optimize the resource that you no longer needed, and ultimately you can save your money and avoid unnecessary cloud spending. That's exactly why Azure Cost Management is so important. If you make a cost management is the best practice from the day one before starting any new service or features in the cloud, you will always stay in control or your spending. This is not only help you to reduce unused cost, but it allow you to enjoy your cloud journey without billing surprises. So knowing where your money is going gives you a confidence, control, and peace of mind. That's why this topic is something every cloud user should understand. And if you found this video very helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. And I also created a separate detailed video on how to set up a budgets in Azure Portal. So if you want a step-by-step walkthrough, I highly recommend you to check that out. And stay tuned for more Azure content. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a great day.